Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the map zoom effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. For suggestions on what you want us to do next a tutorial on, leave a comment down below. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, you need to go on Google Earth. Select two places of your choice. Make sure to record what I'm doing now. Then go back to Filmora, insert the recording and start editing. This will be our starting point. We delete everything before. Now right-click on the video and go to crop and zoom, and cut until you only see the map. Then we will add a freeze frame so we can have time to put a mark on the map. Next, what you need to do is select a basic 6 text and adjust it to the freeze frame length. Then we click on the text, go to Advanced, select the text and delete it. Then go to Add Shape. Add the circle. Now let's add a color. You can choose gradient fill if you want to go with 2 colors, but I will still use just one, so let's go with the red one. Adjust the opacity to 70%. Select the shape border to white with size 5. Now remove the text. Make the circle smaller and adjust it on the top of the location. Now go to Animation and add Fade 1. Now let's copy this. Lock this layer and paste on top of it. Click on it, go to Advance. Now go to Shape Border and increase the blur. Then go to Animation and choose Fade 1. Make sure this 2 points connect in the middle. Finally, let's add the text. I choose the impact font for this. Also add black border to look better. Add the same animation here. Now copy this, adjust it so it fits. Change the name and put it on top of the location. Repeat the process. And there you go. That's it for this video guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.